If you need to remove a card from your SoFi account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Open the SoFi app. Launch the SoFi app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you are logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by gear icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select cards. In the account settings, find the section labeled Cards or Payment Methods. This will display all the cards linked to your SoFi account. Step 4. Choose the card to remove. From the list of cards, select the card you wish to remove. You may need to tap on the card for more options. Step 5. Confirm removal. Look for an option to remove or delete the card. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal. Make sure to read any warnings or confirmations before finalizing the action. After completing these steps, the card will be removed from your SoFi account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoFi customer support for assistance.